Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cho Chang from Harry Potter. So let's get started. To draw a cute Cho, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another circle. Oops. There. Now we made two circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So now the eyes in, let's come to the sides right here. I'm just going to spruce them up a little bit with some lashes. So just two curves right on the sides, and same thing here. From there, let's give her a sweet smile. So right in between, about right here, just going to draw a curve, slightly goes up, and cap it off. From there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come back to the top of her eye, come out really close, give myself a point. And same thing here. And we're just basically going to draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right here around her eye. And I'm going just to find my center just to make it a little bit easier, say about right here. Give myself a point so I know where I'm going because I'm drawing pretty big. And I'm just going to curve down to this point. And so same thing. Now I'm going to go up. And connect to frame her face. So now that we have that, let's come back up and we're going to start to draw her bangs. So let's come about right here, and I'm just going to go really close to her eye, go across, and we're just going to start to zigzag here and there. Just go in and out. So maybe sometimes you can have less, just more, a little bit more straighter, and then maybe about right here we can just bring it in a little bit up higher just to break it up. We're just going to go zigzag right across, up and down. About right here we can just go ahead and connect there. So we have her bangs in, and then right in this area we're just going to I'm just going to draw this curve right across for her brow because it's kind of hitting her brow right in that area, and we have to give her a brow, right? So okay, so there, just right in that area. Then from there we're going to bring these bangs up, so we're just going to sides right here. And I'm going to go nice and high, so up to maybe right there, and then come right back down. You just come in here and just add some little lines to give it a little bit more detail for her bangs. Then from there, let's go up towards the center. Just find your center. We're going to go up just a little bit, not too much higher, just a little bit, say about right here. And we're going to go up on both sides. And right here in the center, I'm just going to draw this little line. And right here, I'm just going to part it with two curves and then some parting lines right here. So we're going to bring this part down. So it's down nice and close because her hair is straight, and down. So same thing here, and down. And then in this area right here, I'm going to stop and just draw 2 curves. You can pop it out if you like for clips in her hair. So same thing here. There. So hopefully that is starting to look like her. She was a tough one, I must admit. So to draw. So right here, let's come in this area, and I'm just going to draw in a line for some detail. And I'm just going to tuck in this little ear right in here, so we might be able to see. So let's draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair. I'm going to come to the center right here, and let's say about right here. Let's go ahead and we're just going to draw a curve coming down. So slope down a little bit because we're going to have her hands kind of together. So now that we have that curve, let's come back to the center, and I'm just going to draw 2 angles right there for her shirt. And let's come back right here, and we're going to draw a curve, comes down towards the center, about right there, and same thing, just connect. So this is the beginning of her sweater, and in this area we're going to draw her tie. There. So now, because her hands are coming together, let's bring this in and in. So I'm going to aim towards the center. So let's say about right here, like where her armpit area would be. Just give yourself 2 points. And I'm going to draw a curve that comes down towards the center. And sticken up the arm. And same thing here. So this one is going to be overlapping this hand. So let's work on this hand first. I'm going to curve it down towards the center and about right here. Stop a little bit. Give her sweater here a cuff. So I'm just going to bring this in, connect it, give it a little cuff. Right there, and her hand. So this hand, you just want to make sure this hand is in this area right here. So let's go ahead and come down with a thumb. This thumb is going to go in, and then everything else is just a wobble and up. Oops. And I'll come back in here and just draw 2 little lines right here. Just make sure you have this little thumb right here before you draw these fingers. Okay, so then now that we have this hand in, we can go ahead and finish this and bring it in. Then her other hand's going to stick out about right here. So this hand is going to come out right here. So we're angling it, and then we're going to angle it down. So curve down. And this is going to connect to create this shape right here. And I'll just add some lines in here. So this is totally simplifying it, but hopefully it still looks correct. So this hand is holding a wand, but we'll draw the wand a little bit later. Let's come back over here on her sweater, and I'm going to bring this line down and connect wherever space I have, and then I'm going to come right here and just follow my curve, and then this is going to tuck in for some detail, and come in here a little bit wider and draw some buttons. And 1 button here, and then this is going to be a line. Okay, so now we have that little detail in. Let's come right here. We're just going to finish up her sweater and draw some creases right here. Draw some creases in her arm as well. In the sweater. And Now let's finish off her sweater. So let's come back. So imagine this is her armpit. Rest of her body would be about right here. And about right in this area, I'm just going to bring it in with a curve. There. Then let's draw her skirt. So let's come out. So we're just coming in a little bit when I draw her skirt and out. To about right there. And then I'm going to just go wobble my way across. There. And for some detail, we're going to add maybe 2 of these crease lines for her skirt and then her legs. So let's come down and about right here in the center and here. So I'm just going to make it thinner as we come down, about right there, and then out and connect. And right here, just draw a curve to finish it off of her shoe. So same thing here. And connect. There. So I have her feet in, and now we can draw her wand. So I'll just come about right here, angle and wobble a little bit, wobble, and then connect. There. And then now we can finally finish her hair. So let's bring this down. And like I said, her hair is straight, so I'm just going to keep bringing this down, maybe up to about right here. And just zigzag a little bit in. So same thing on this side. There. And I think that is pretty much it for my version here of Cho Chang from Harry Potter. This one was a little bit tough, like I said, for me to try to figure out, but hopefully you still think it works and I've helped you draw her fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Stay Cute videos. See you later.